everyone, my name is Yashmita and welcome to my channel. So I hope that you all are doing good and having a good day. Today we will talk about the greatness that we all have inside ourselves and the power, the ability to create the reality that we want to have in our life. We all have that within us. We have that greatness within us to achieve our dreams, to achieve our goals, and whatever that we need to have to achieve these things, these abilities, the skills, the knowledge, the intelligence. We have everything within us, but we are always settling for the moderate things. We are settling for the small things that are coming into our lives, and we say to ourselves that this is what I get, this is who I am, and I cannot do more than this. We are continuously having this negative chatter with ourselves, which is why maybe we are not able to reach to the potential that we have or to achieve the dreams that we have in our mind. But we are always thinking that I'm not capable enough or smart enough to have these things or achieve these goals in my mind. I want you to know that all these talks that you're having with your personal self, these things are creating a sense of resistance, and they are stopping you from achieving your dreams and achieving your goals. What makes us who we are? We are what we think, what we talk, and how we see the world. We are only the thoughts and emotions and the reactions that we are giving out to the world. We are nothing else. This is our whole personality is based upon these three things: the thoughts, the emotions, and the reactions that we are giving out to the world. What if we could hack our mind? What if we could just change our thoughts and emotions and reactions to the outer world? What if there was a way to hack our mind into believing the reality that we want to create? What if there was a way that we could react to the outward circumstances, having a thought in our mind, having a thought of a new reality that we want to create in our mind? I will explain it to you with an example. Suppose you want to leave this 9 to 5 job, and you're continuously having this thought in your mind that I want to leave it, but somehow the outer circumstances are not allowing me to, and the universe is not supporting me. I'm not getting any opportunities to leave this job and get something better for myself. So you're having this continuous thought in your mind, and one day what happens is your colleague comes to you and just dumps his or her work on you, and your natural reaction, anybody's natural reaction to that kind of behavior is to get angry and get frustrated. But you have to change the reaction. If you want to change the reality, the first step is to change the reaction that you have to the normal day-to-day things that you do. So if you experience such kind of thing in your life, what you have to do is, without getting angry or frustrated to that reaction, you have to build this thought in your mind that I'm anyway going to leave this job in like 2 or 3 months, so why should I bother this? Like, obviously this person is stressed, which is why they are dumping their work on me. So why should I get stressed? Let me just help them. So when you change your reaction to circumstances that are not in your control, you are kind of controlling your destiny, you're kind of controlling your reality. When you do this, you give a message to the universe that you are changing your vibe, you're changing the way you used to react, you're changing the way you used to think about circumstances, and you are somehow taking control of your life. So when you give this message to the universe, when you tell the universe through your reactions to the day-to-day life that you're changing your vibe, that you're changing your that you're raising your vibrations, you're raising your consciousness, the universe will react to you. The universe will react to it by giving you things that resonate with those higher vibes that you are sending out to the universe. So I think that we cannot control anything in our life except the reactions. Our reactions tell us who we are and what kind of vibe we are holding. So if somehow we can hack our mind into believing an alternate reality, a reality that exists in the future, and react accordingly to that reality, there is just no other way other than to attack that reality into our life. Albert Einstein has also said this, that everything is energy, and if you raise your vibration, if you raise your consciousness to the thing that you want to achieve, there is just no other way other than to get that thing into your life. So this is how the universe is working. But we are continuously living in the past, we are continuously living in the experiences that we had, the bad experiences, which is why we react according to the past. But we have to react according to the future. What our future self is reacting to, how our future self is reacting to things, we have to react like that, and there is just no other way. The future will be extracted from the future and it will present itself into the present. So this is what I'm trying to tell you, that have control of your reactions, be calm, and be very selective of what you talk, how you react to other people, because this is sending a vibe to the universe that what kind of consciousness you're living in, what kind of vibration you're living in. Because if we react badly to small things that are happening in our life, in the office, in personal life, if we are giving bad reactions to these small things or overreactions to these small things, this is sending a message to the universe that I'm not able to take these small things, and I will also not be able to get able to handle those big amazing things that the universe will give me. Which is why maybe the universe is delaying or postponing those things that you want to achieve, because you're continuously sending out the vibes to the universe that I'm not able to handle small things, I'm not able to handle my life right now. So how am I going to handle the big things and the amazing things that you want to give me? Trust me, the universe is not working against us, the universe is working for us. So the whole process of manifesting things in our life starts with this one thought of changing the reactions that we have to our day-to-day lives, changing the way we react to things. It tells a great deal about us, and we have to do this if we want to take the first step towards achieving our dreams and living the kind of life that we want to live. So I want you to be open-minded and I want you to allow things as they happen in your life. Don't react suddenly to anything, because we may not know what the bigger plan is. We may not know how this thing that we may not know that this bad thing that is happening with us right now is going to count to something bigger, and it is going to help us into something bigger and help in achieving our dreams. So we may not know why things are happening and what are the main motivation behind all the bad things that are happening. We may not know that. So to react suddenly to those things and totally discard them from our life is not helping us to achieve our dreams. So we have to be open-minded, and if something bad is happening, let it. We cannot control that bad thing that is happening, but we can control the reaction towards it. We can have this thought in our mind that this thing somehow is going to help me in my future, and this experience is what my soul needs right now. So I have to bear with it, and I don't have to discard it completely from my life. So this is it for today. I just want you to be very careful of how you react to things, because our reactions are very important, and even if something bad is happening with you right now, even if your life really sucks right now, I totally get it, but understand it that this experience that you're having right now is because the universe wants you to experience it, and there is something good that will come out of it, and it is only going to make you stronger. So accept it, whatever it is in your life right now that you think that is really bothering you. Accept it totally, and allow it to change you or transform you into a better person, because bad things only help us in transforming ourselves. So let's do this, and let's control our reactions to things, and don't react to the small things. It is not necessary to react to everything. So many things are happening in the life right now, and if we keep on reacting to every little thing, then we may not have the time to devote to ourselves, and we may always be stuck in these small things. So which is why I want you to take a hard look on how you're reacting to things, and how they are sending the vibe to the universe. Be very careful of all of these things. So let's do this together. I'm also working on this. Like I said, whatever I tell you in these videos, these are the things that I am also working on myself. to improve myself, because I'm not a master, I'm not a guru. So in all of these videos, I'm trying to get the help I need from you guys, and also I want to help you guys with all the little knowledge and information that I gather from my experiences and what I learned from my life. So let's do this together. I hope that you have a great day today, and so much love to you and happiness to you. Thank you so much for watching this video.